And do you see how this, I'm sorry. Do you see the adjustment? Baby don't trip. Slow your tone, cause you can get hit. Hey.
Right now, day and night, all I got to say is, what was your love?
Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is LexsaMarie with another video. As some of you might already notice, do you see I'm doing this at nighttime? But you can still see me. Your girl got a ring light. A ring light. A ring light. I don't have no baby ring light no more where I can only do it in the daytime between 2 and 5 o'clock. This is a ring light for 24-hour service. Okay, 24-hour channel content. Okay, so if you want to see that video, please just look above, and it's gonna be linked above or in the description box. This ring light is gorgeous. I right now have two white things, what do you call it, the little plates, and then I have two red ones on the side, so you know it can give me my true tone to you guys, my true tone. But that's not why I'm making this video right now. This video is about my second purchase. I've been saving for so long since I made YouTube. This was on this vlogging camera, the best vlogging. I don't even got a review for you. It's the best picture taking, vlogging, having whatever camera. I got the Canon G7x Mark II. So yeah, so I got that. I did not get it on the canon.com website because it was $6.99, and who has time for $6.99? So I ended up getting more for less, and I got this whole bundle for $549 on Amazon. I got the camera with some equipment along with a SD card and a camera holder. So this is the packaging. I already opened it. Okay, so what I have in here is the SD card with 64 gigabytes for you YouTubers out there. They gave me a stand, a starter kit for any DSLR studio people. I got something to hold the camera with, like for vlogging. I got the camera, and I got the converter, something to blow. One of you guys will tell me what this is. And I got the camera case. I wasn't too interested. I just like getting more for less, period. So I didn't really look at the specs on the website. But this is the camera. We're gonna be reviewing the camera, okay? And by the way, I did not charge it yet. So, it also comes with a battery. But I think I can just charge it. I'll just get my battery. But this is how the camera came. I literally did not even open it yet because I was waiting for you lovely people to see. It's kind of bent, but as long as it works. So, oh, it came with a book. Who reads books? It says getting started, Well, we're gonna play with it and see how it works, okay? But oh. I've been watching so many YouTube channels, like not where they're reviewing the camera, but where they're just using the camera. And honey, like I was obsessed since June with this camera, and I believe like I deserved it. And like I've been working so hard academically, working on my my health, my spirit, my my YouTube and everything. And I'm just like, damn, like I deserve this. Like I deserve to have joy in this and invest in my joy in making YouTube videos. So I was just like, girl, let me just up my camera, whatever. So, oh, okay, but okay. So let me make sure there's a battery in there before I embarrass myself. Okay, so there's no battery. I'm gonna put in a battery. I think it was supposed to come with 2 batteries, but I'm not 100% sure. I only see 1. But I'm gonna put it in there. Just a little battery for Canon, and I'm gonna just stick it in. And I'm going to place the SD card because I'm probably going to be recording, you know, I want to save it, whatever. So I'm gonna put the SD card that was given in the package, you know, pulling on a budget. Oh. Okay. I'm pretty rough, so if it breaks, I wouldn't be surprised. The reason why I love this camera so much, since I was so obsessed with it, it wasn't as complex as the more advanced cameras of Canon and Nikon, just like the build of it. And it's not so clunky, and like it doesn't look like it's, you know, it just looks like a regular camera, but the quality is insane. So let me just turn it on. Oh, hello. I'm gonna set the date and time. What's the date? I actually don't know the date. That's a shame. All right. So I'm going to use the like thing to prop it up just because I don't want to drop it. Okay. I don't know what it's doing. This is touch screen, like what? All right. Okay. Yep, mute on. So I found that this is pretty easy to navigate because if I just found the mute button, I think I'll be able to navigate this pretty well. All right, so let's start recording. I'm already excited. Sorry. So I'm gonna try to sync it up at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna try to sync it up at the same time so you guys, you know, can see the quality, and I want you to let me know whether or not you messing with this camera. So I'm just gonna start recording. Okay. So this is the camera. I just want to see. It's probably showing that I'm chopped as hell, but I'm gonna turn up the brightness. See if that does anything. So this is how I look, y'all. This is bruh. My hair is matted. Of course it's matted. Like, of course this is the time it wants to mat. But this is how the camera looks. This is how it looks without the ring light and how I look without the ring light. And do you see how this? I'm sorry. Do you want to? Do you see the adjustment? I'm just gonna remember that I have to look at the camera and like not me, because I just feel like I look type crazy. But what do you guys think? Put the ring light back on. Bring it up. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Like, let me know. Let's see how the focus is. Oh my god. Do y'all have textured skin? Like, your girl got textured skin. Okay, but let me know how you like the quality of this camera. Like, low-key, I'm still liking my phone, but I don't know how this looks on my phone yet. I just don't know if I want to hold my hand the whole time. You see? Baby, don't trip. Just lower your tone, cause you can get hit. Hey. Yep. But this is the quality of the camera, okay guys? So I don't know what else to show you. I don't know what else to tell you. As life goes on, I will be able to give the rest of the specs on the camera. Please let me know if you like it, please, or if you hate it in the comment section down below. Please, I love to hear what you guys think. Let me know if you have the Canon G7X or if you're using a 7 Plus, and let me know which one is better, okay? But yes, I like this just because it just focuses on me, and like, yeah, like when you can see everything else, like I'm just showing you, you see my setup? You can see everything behind me, and that's just not it. But this automatically will focus on you, and that's what I love about this camera. So please let me know what you guys think.